Rose family, it's your girl Serenity Rose, and we're back with another video, and I'm going to be doing like a quick little update. So, like as far as my pregnancy goes, I'm filming this on October 10th, which is my birthday today, which is why I got all dolled up. Right now, I am currently in the parking lot of where my daughter is staying. Let me just start from the beginning. So, Tuesday, October 6th, I gave birth. As you guys know, I was scheduled for a C-section. I had the C-section and there were some complications with my daughter. So they ended up transferring her to a better hospital, which is Albany Med. So yeah, so when she came out, she was having difficulties breathing. So they put her on oxygen, and then her blood sugars was low, which they said was due because I was producing so much sugar. She was producing, I think, insulin, and now that she's like not dependent on me, she was like not getting enough sugar or producing too much insulin, like something like that, basically because she was not inside of me anymore. Her sugars were low. So they were giving her sugar and her sugars were improving. So that's when they decided to transfer her. And throughout all this time, while they were giving her sugars and had her on oxygen, I didn't lay my eyes on her. This is still the first day of when I had my incision, or when I had the C-section. So I didn't see her like until they took her to the new hospital. Like, I didn't see her until they were about to leave. So I got to spend like maybe 5 minutes with her. Of course, I was emotional because, you know, when you give birth, you want to see your child, you want to hold your child, and I didn't see her or hold her for like hours, and I didn't hold her until like 2 or 3 days later because I had to recover from my C-section. So when you have a C-section, they normally keep you 2 to 3 days. And trust me, I was pushing myself to get better. So yeah, they took her and she was on a whole bunch of machines. I will insert a picture here. And I was emotional because, you know, they say that it's like common with moms who are diabetic for stuff like this to happen with their babies. Also, she was 11 pounds and 3.5 ounces, I believe. And then when she got to the new hospital, she weighed 11 pounds 6 ounces. So I'm a little iffy on her weight. I don't know, but she's under 11 pounds now. So that's like water weight that dropped. She is a little chunky monkey. I love my little baby girl. So yeah, once I was out of the hospital, I came straight to the hospital she's in. I didn't go home. I just picked up my medication from my pharmacy and my pain meds, and then I came here to the hospital where she's at now. And yeah, so I did that just because, you know, I want to see my daughter. I just gave birth and I haven't even held her. I did get to touch her hand before she left, like for a minute, you know. And it's hard because seeing your kid on so many machines is very, very scary. It's not something I wish on anybody, but she is doing much better now. She isn't on, I think it's called like a CPAP machine. It's basically the oxygen machine. They had like a mask on her. Then they switched it a few days ago to the one that goes in the nose, and she's not really using that anymore. So I think they're gonna take that off today. And as far as sugars go, her sugars are much better now, so I'm grateful for that. And they are not going to be tube feeding her. I think I'm going to be feeding her for the first time today on my birthday. How exciting. So her first bottle feed is gonna be today, hopefully. As far as me, my incision, my surgery, recovery, I am doing a lot better. Like, I still have a lot of pain. I'm walking a lot better though. I kind of need my asthma pump every time I get up because I lose a lot of breath when I get up because I don't know why, but it's like really hard for me to breathe when I get up. It's like a lot of pressure on the incision, and hopefully I don't need a wheelchair today, but I mean, there's a lot of walking to get to my daughter's room. She's currently in the NICU, I think that's what it's called, or how you pronounce it. So it's a long way there. Albany Med is a really, really big hospital, and it's a lot of walking. So maybe I can make it to her room without a wheelchair, but if not, my boyfriend will have to bring me there. Also, for some reason, both parents cannot be bedside in the NICU. I guess because of the whole corona thing, which is kind of dumb because we're the parents, we should both be allowed there. But right now we have to take turns seeing her. So right now I'm gonna let him, I think he's going in first to see like any updates, or he might be taking like the first turn. So like he's gonna stay for 3 or 4 hours, and I'm gonna stay for 3 or 4 hours, and then we're gonna go out to Outback for dinner because I deserve it. Yeah, so that is everything right now that I can say. I still have not been able to bring her home. Obviously, she's still in the hospital. I cannot wait to bring her home. I really just want to go home and be with both of my kids. I want my son to meet his sister. I want my daughter to meet her brother. And I don't want to keep driving back and forth to this hospital anymore. I don't want to keep having to alternate to see my daughter with my boyfriend because he is already obsessed with her. Obviously, she's a little girl. He's already like, this is daddy's princess. So it sucks that we both can't be there. Like, we both want to spend as much time with her as possible. That is the current situation. Okay, I found a way to make the camera stand lit. So yeah. So there are a few pre-recorded videos that I have yet to post. So you're probably gonna see me with long hair because I did recently cut my hair before I went into delivery. So there's probably gonna be some videos where I have long hair. Also, there's gonna be videos where I'm talking about me getting my C-section and how scared I am and whatnot. But those were pre-recorded videos. I'm just doing this video today right now to update you guys because I know some of you guys know my C-section is for October 6th, which passed already. So yeah, again, fingers crossed that I have her home before the weekend is over because I want to bring my daughter home, and I personally hate seeing her on those machines. It is a very scary feeling. Another update, I am on antidepressants. It's baby blues. It's normal. You know, last time I think it took like about a few weeks to kick in. It just kicked in a little bit quicker this time. You know, it's especially since I'm away from my son and then my daughter having these complications, I think just was a lot for me emotionally, and I have bad anxiety, and with all of this stuff going on and then not being able to physically move the way I want to or hold her the way I want to or be able to hold her when and where I want to is also contributing to that. So really, I think I am progressing as well as my daughter. So she is keeping me strong at the moment, and I am pushing myself as far as recovery to get better and heal a lot faster for the sake of her, because I want to be able to hold her and take care of her when she is home. I think I'm going to drop my post. I have been posting Monday, Wednesday, Friday. I'm going to drop my post down maybe to Monday, Wednesday, Wednesday, Friday, or Monday, Friday, just 2 days out of the week, just so that my pre-filmed videos last until I can start filming again. And yeah, that's it for now. I hope you guys are having an amazing day or night wherever you guys are, staying safe, staying blessed. Please don't forget to hit that like button, drop a comment down below, you know, pray for my baby girl Raina. And please don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you go. I'd love to have you join the Rose family. And yeah, on that note, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.